We have our player running and jumping now. It doesn't fall through the ground, which is great. However, we're still missing a few things. When I touch the enemy, nothing happens, or if I touch or collide with the coin, nothing happens. And for this case, we need to add custom events. So events are Construct's main feature. Instead of complicated scripting or programming languages, you can define how the game works using a block system. It's very similar to what you might have seen if you've tried Scratch before. So let's get started. Go to the Event Sheet tab, so click Event Sheet 1 at the top, and this is where you can add custom events for your game. So events have two parts. There's a condition and an action. If a condition is true, then the action will happen. In our case, when Twiggy collides with the carrot, we want the level to restart to simulate that you lost. So the condition is that if the player collides with the enemy, and then the action will be end the level and restart it. So let's try adding that. Here at the top left, click the blue Add Event link, and then for the condition, we're going to select the player, click Next, and look for a condition called On Collision with Another Object. On collision with another object. Click Next. And then for the object, we'll set this to the enemy. And then click Done. So what this is saying so far is if the player collides with the enemy, do something. Do an action. So let's add the action. We'll click Add Action. And then go to System, Next, and look for an action called Restart Layout. And what this does is it'll restart the level for us. So we'll click Next. There we go. So once again, what this translates to is if the player collides with an enemy, restart the level. Let's try it out. Oh, it's working. Yes, awesome. So we'll do something very similar to the coin. So if I collide with the coin, something should happen. In this case, the action will be make the coin disappear. And the action that we'll use in Construct is called Destroy, which is actually the same thing as deleting the coin. And it gives the illusion that the player is picking up the coin. So for the condition, if the player collides with the coin, make the coin disappear or destroy the coin. So let's add that next. We'll click Add Event, select the player, click Next, look for On Collision with another object, click Next, and then choose the coin this time, and click Done. And then for the action, we'll choose the coin this time and look for an action called Destroy. Not Destroy, Destroy. Select that one and then click Next. So this means if the player collides with the coin, destroy the coin. So let's try it out. Boop! Cool. So it looks like Twiggy's collecting coins now. Great.